So what kind of crazy devices did I get here? Alright, Alex's outfit. There is a crab on his outfit, and it says, Who you calling crabby? Hey, you're crabby, Alex. You are crabby, Alex. You think so? You disagree, huh? Okay, right now you're good. You just ate. You ate about maybe 45 minutes ago. So you're good for another hour, right? At least another hour. Good, good, good. Alright, so here is a turtle that we have it. Got it from Babies R Us, and it lights up the ceiling. I like it a lot. If I turn out the lights and actually make it do the effect, then it's not going to show up at all, so unfortunately the camera's not cool enough to do that. Okay, back on Alex. Did I miss anything? Alex, did I miss anything? Should get more light in here. Whoa, blinding. How was that? But the camera didn't like the shift in light either. His music is going to be embedded in my head. I don't know how it's doing with him. I wish I could plug in some heavy metal in there. Oops, I didn't say that out loud. Okay. I'm just holding the camera on the swing. Alright. Yep, turn around. Alright, what are you looking up at? You supposedly have a mirror, huh? Can you see into the mirror? How's it from your perspective? Whoa, oh, you just... You almost got hit by the camera. Okay. Well, this has gone on quite a bit. Go 20 more seconds, Alex. Do something cool. Got any tricks? Got any tricks? Oh, cool. Roll over. Oh, you're not quite ready for that yet. Oh, you're not going to roll over on that surface. Almost over. What, you gonna say something? Got something to say? Got something to say? Okay, I'm gonna have to close out.